Imagine that you can study for free in this European country. I mean, entirely for free. Bachelor program, master's program, and even PhD program. I mean, that is great, right? Such that everything is fully paid for. Your tuition fee is taken care of for the duration of your program. An accommodation is provided for you for the duration of your program, and a monthly stipend for you to be able to take care of your day-to-day expenses while studying in this European country. It's also taken care of for the duration of your program. The good thing about it is this: you can study any program of your choice. There is no restrictions with respect to the type of program that you can study. Any program, for bachelor program, master's program, PhD program, in any course of your choice, you can study them for free in Romania. Yes, Romania is an EU country, so which means the student residence permit that is going to be issued to you there give you access to all other European countries. Yes, so which means after your study, if you want to stay back and work, you have the opportunity to be able to stay back. But if you want to mobilize or go to any other European country, you have free access to go to any other European country with the student residence permit to live there and work there. I mean, that is great, right? So that is why I said any EU country that you have an opportunity to study, to live or relocate to is a very good EU country because of the access of free mobility to any other European country. So I'm going to be sharing my screen with you, showing you the details about this application process and this fully funded program to study in Romania. And if you're just coming across our channel, this is Japa with your days. On this channel, we are very, very committed to your relocation plan. So if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to this channel. Also follow us on all of our social media platforms. Yes, it is very, very important to us. We are on TikTok, Instagram, and on Facebook. And don't forget to share this video to your loved one. Like I've been saying from the beginning of this year, this is the kind of information that you don't want to hoard. Try as much as possible to share it to your loved one. Please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified when we drop information and videos on this channel. Okay, so let's explore this fully funded program to study in Romania together. So this is the official website of the Ministry of Foreign Affairs for Romania. Now, let's quickly explore together what this scholarship is all about. Now, each year, the Romanian government, through the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, provide a number of scholarships to citizens from non-EU countries. Only candidates having good results in education, respectively, an average of the study years for the last graduated school of at least 7 corresponding to the scoring system in Romania, or the good score as the case, are eligible. So, but of course, you can read further information regarding the scholarship. And if you want to know more about studying in Romania, some essential information that you can gather that you might want to know about studying in Romania, you can check them here. I'm going to be providing the link of this scholarship body on the video description so you can do extensive research yourself. So let's quickly explore what the scholarship covers, what the scholarship entails. So the general condition for the scholarship for studies in accredited higher education institutions in Romania are awarded through a competition of 5 based on the regulation enforced by the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and the Ministry of Education and Research. Now, to whom this scholarship is addressed to, okay? Now, citizens of Romania origin or who are part of the Romanian historical community in the proximity of Romania entitled to different scholarship programs, citizens who have requested or acquired a form of protections in Romania. Okay, stateless person who stay in the territory of Romania is officially recognized according to the law. Those are refugees and the like. Members of the diplomatic and consular corps of family members of the diplomatic and consular corps accredited in Romania, members of the administrative and technical staff of diplomatic missions and consular offices accredited to Romania, staff members of international organization based in Romania or family members of staff of international organization based in Romania, beneficiary of a scholarship from the Romanian state for the circle of for the same circle of study. Now, who qualifies to apply for this? Now, foreign citizens, as you can see here, this is for foreign citizens from all non-EU countries. Foreign citizens from all non-EU countries. As long as your country is not considered an EU country, you are eligible to apply. That is why they provided the following exceptions. So these are the following exceptions. So which means if you are currently living in Romania and the exceptions they provided, you fall under them. Either you are a refugee, you have a family member. I mean, whichever the exception is, if you fall under it here, you can apply. But it is strictly meant for non-EU countries. Those are the people that can apply to this scholarship. However, they've provided some sort of exceptions. If you have some sort of ties or you're already staying in Romania under different conditions that you're staying in Romania, you can check if these exceptions apply to you, and then you can apply for it. Now, to be eligible, you must submit a complete file on the online application platform, which I will show to you shortly. Present study documents as accredited by your country of origin, and of course, you followed there and comply with the application deadline, which I will be also showing to you shortly. Have good results in education, respectively, an average of the study years for the last graduated school. So, which means once you get this scholarship, you must maintain a particular score for you to be able to be eligible every year to get the full funding. Comply with the application submission methodology. Okay. Now, please note that scholarships are not awarded in the field of medicine, dental medicine, and pharmacy. These are the only two disciplines that are not considered or that cannot apply for this scholarship. Now, what level of study does the scholarship cover? Literally everything. I'm not going to dwell much on that. Bachelor program, master's program, and PhD program, all courses. These are the people that can apply. Okay, what is the language of study? Wow, yes, very, very important. In order to promote the Romanian language and culture, the beneficiary of this scholarship granted by the Romanian state for undergraduate, master, and PhD, the exception is for, the undergraduate and master's study in Romania. Now, let me repeat that. In order to promote the Romanian language and culture, the beneficiary of this scholarship granted by the Romanian state for undergraduate and master must study in Romanian language. The exception thereof is for doctorate scholarship, who can opt for studies in Romania or any other foreign language in doctoral school in Romania. However, for candidates who do not speak Romanian, a preparatory year is granted for the study of the Romanian language prior to the actual university studies. What that means is that if you are coming from an international community and you don't speak Romanian, there's going to be like a preparatory year. Usually it is up to 1 year calendar that they will enroll you in a linguistic school or language school that you'll be able to learn Romanian, and of course, until you are able to qualify to a certain extent that at least you can communicate, understand what they are saying in Romania, that is when you will now begin your scholarship application squarely. And this is also paid for, fully paid for. Okay, so which means, that means there is no excuse whatsoever, except if you are not interested in learning their language before you can. That is when you can answer, okay, maybe this is not for you. But since everything is fully paid for, and they are saying that you will study in Romania, and if you don't speak it, they will take you to the department where you will learn it for at least a year. And when you are done, that is when you can now start your program squarely. That is good. I'm telling you that is good. So if you're interested in it, there is no language barrier, as long as they are willing to pay for it and take you to the department that will teach you, give you access to be able to learn the language before you can before you can start your program squarely. Now, the following categories of persons are exempted from enrolling in the Romanian language preparatory year: those who present Romanian study documents, those who, in order to enroll in university education, pass the Romanian language test, those who, in order to enroll in university education, present a certificate of linguistic competence in Romania. So, which means if you have already taken Romanian language or you know Romanian, you can prove it. You don't need to go through the Romanian preparatory language options again. how to submit your applications. Everything must be done online. The scholarship application can only be sent through the Study in Romania platform, which I will show to you shortly. These are the link in here, and I will show them to you shortly. However, they are saying that if you don't submit through the platform provided, your application is automatically rejected. That is what they are showing here. Now, the enrollment date and necessary document. The enrollment date, the enrollment period begins on 29th of January, which means it has started since last month. And the deadline for submitting your application to this scholarship is 12th of March, 2025. So the application has opened from 29th of January and is going to be ending by 12th of March, 2025. The document required to complete the profile. These are the list of documents. The most important one here is your certificate, your transcript, copy of your birth certificate, copy of your first degree certificate, your international passport, your curriculum vitae in English or French. And for doctoral circle, the candidate needs to submit a letter of intent containing the list of scientific works, specialized publications. I mean, if you want to go for a doctoral program, they're asking if you have any published articles, you should also present them in your CV, okay? And of course, you can read further documentations and necessary information that are also required. The document must be scanned individually after the original in PDF format. That is what they accept. Number 4, announcing the result of formalities. So, which means before 30th of June, all elected or selected candidates will be notified before 30th of June, 2025. And then 5, scholars' rights and obligations. I mean, all of these ones, you can read it yourself. And, so the most important informations, I think I have been able to cover them. Let's quickly now check. Let's assume you are now ready to make your applications. Where do you go to? The first option here is to create an account. Since you don't already have an account, if you have already created an account, that is when you can log in here. But you don't have an account, either you click in here to create an account, or you click in here that I don't have an account. You can now create an account yourself. You put your first name, last name, and everything, and you create an account. Then you'll be able to see necessary information where you will apply the study program that you're interested in, the course that you want to go for, the program, master's, PhD, or bachelor programs, and when you want to start, because every applications must be submitted on time, and the results will be announced by June. So, which means they expect you to resume by September or October of 2025. So, so once you create an account, you can submit your application directly to them. And if you want to read frequently asked questions, you want to check some further information, that is why I said I'm going to be providing the link to this website so that you can do further readings about them. There is no restriction as long as you are interested in learning the Romanian language, which they are going to take you through a preparatory year, usually a 1 year to learn Romanian language. It's not a big deal. I mean, we have when I was in Unilag, we have people that comes from a French-speaking country that comes to Unilag, and they don't speak English. They take them through they take them to the English department to learn English for like a year, and after they are done, that is when they now start their scholarship applications squarely in their various departments. So it's not a big deal. And it also gives you an advantage to be able to know other language. So if you decide to leave Romania and you want to work as an interpreter or just to add it to your CV, I mean, learning other language is not really a bad idea. I mean, I've also learned Portuguese myself while staying in Portugal, and so it's an added advantage to you. All right, so that is the information and the opportunity we want to talk about today. And then don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that by the time we drop information and opportunities like this, you will be the first person to get notification. Also, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to share it to your loved ones. Okay, so till we come your way next time with another information. Bye bye for now.